Hello everyone, my name is Amruta Sudhakar Erandole and I am from Electrical Department, and my today's presentation topic is GS81 satellite. Thank you. This slide introduction about the GS81 satellite. This satellite was an experimental communication satellite launched about the maiden flight of the GSLV rocket. The spacecraft was equipped with instrumentation to test pulse code modulation, that is meant by PCM, transmitting on S band frequencies and transponders operating in the C band. The spacecraft was unable to complete its mission after a launch failure left it in a lower than planned orbit, and propulsion issues prevented that satellite from correcting this via its own maneuvering system. Then, overview of this satellite is failed. GS81 satellite is failed to achieve its target orbit, which prevented it from fulfilling its primary communication mission. The 1.54-ton satellite was orbiting with a period of 23 hours 2 minutes instead of the planned 24 hours geosynchronous orbit, only permitting a limited series of experiments to be conducted, including digital audio broadcasting and compressed digital TV signal transmitting. This GSLV, that is meant by geosynchronous satellite launch vehicles, suffered a performance shortfall during its first flight, resulting in the injection of the experimental satellite into a geosynchronous transfer orbit, that is meant by GTO, of 181 into 32.051 km at inclined angle 19.2 degrees, having an apogee about 4000 km below the targeted. This slide is about information about GS81 satellite. This satellite mission type is communication technology. Operator is ISRO. Mission duration failed to reach this orbit. Then spacecraft properties is bus is 1 to 2K. Manufacturer also ISRO. Launch mass is 1540 kilograms. Start of the mission, launch date 18 April 2001. Launch site is Sriharikota. Contractor is also ISRO. Orbit parameters is reference system geocentric. Longitudinal 73° west to 2000, 99° west 2000 to 2006. Then perigee altitude is 33,800 kilometers. Apogee altitude is 35,725 kilometers, and inclination is 0.9 degrees. Launch site is Sri Satish Dhawan Space Center, first launch pad. Then mission duration failed to reach orbit. Then this slide about what is the purpose of GSAT-1 satellite. GSAT-1 was used for conducting communication experiments like digital audio broadcast, compressed digital TV transmissions, internal services, it as well as other some uses in this satellite. The Russian 12 kRb cryogenic upper stage was planned to perform for 710 seconds, but its burn apparently lasted only 698 seconds. Another suspect for the shortfall is the launch vehicle's navigation system, which was derived from the PSLV, which has flown only to low Earth. The satellite was possibly used for a few communications demos experiments, but the original purpose of demonstrating digital TV and audio broadcast as well as internet services could not be fulfilled. This slide about product of this satellite. GS81 satellite is carrying 3 C bands transponders and 1 S band transponders. Was launched on April 18, 2001 by GSLV D1. The GS81 uses for conducting communication experiments like digital audio broadcast, internet service, and compressed digital TV transmission. Uh, then it is a very important bands are products are used. Then this slide about salient features. Uh, this satellite is the first state-of-the-art agile Earth observation satellite from geostationary orbit. The satellite is configured around modified 1 to 2 bus carrying multispectral and high spectral payloads in different bands with improved spatial and temporal resolution. And thank you so much, sir, for giving me this subject about discuss that subject. My knowledge is increases. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this topic. Thank you.